Hi all, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see how we can write the even odd challenge. So we have to create a function that takes an integer as an argument. So we can see here there is a function even or odd which is taking the integer as argument. So this integer name is number and returns even for even numbers and odd for odd numbers. So we have to return even as a string and odd as a string for even and odd numbers. So the return type for this function is string. So we have to write our code here. As the function is already ready, so whatever number is coming in the function as argument, we have to check whether this number is even number or this number is an odd number. So in order to check whether the number is even number or odd number, we can do one thing is we can divide the number by 2, and whatever is the remaining, that is the remainder of the number, we can check if the remainder is 0, then it is an even number, but if there is some remainder that is not equal to 0, then it is an odd number. So how we can do is we can check if condition and number. So instead of dividing, we have a operator in Golang as modulus operator, which will be giving the remainder of the number. If the number is divisible by 2, then whatever the remainder is, that we can get with the help of the modulus operator. So if it is 0, so here what we are doing is we are checking if the number is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, then we will consider this number as an even number. Else we will be considering this number as an odd number. Else means if the number is divisible by 2 and if the remainder is greater than 1, greater than 0, then we can consider this number is not divisible by exactly not divisible by 2 and it is an odd number. So we can return an odd here. So in order to return anything from the Golang function, we can use the return keyword, and as we have here it is given for odd numbers we have to return this odd string. So in order to return the string, we have to add it in a double quotes and I have to add odd. And so if the number is even number, then directly I can return from here as an even. So how it will work is, if suppose the given number is 4, then it will go into the loop and it will check if the 4 is divisible by 2. Yes, 4 is divisible by 2, then it is equal to 0, right? Then it will enter into the loop and this return statement will directly return from the function. It will not go below the function, it will not continue executing the function. Directly the return keyword will exit from the function, returning the even as a string. So this is the data type which we are returning here. And if it is not divisible by 2, then it will not go inside this if loop. It will directly come outside of the loop and it will return the odd as the string. So let's test the code now. So as we can see, our test case is passed, and there was only one test case here, so it is passed. So let's now attempt the code. So we can see our attempt is also successful. There was only one test case is in attempt as well. So we have passed that. So now you can take your time in order to refactor the code or do any changes, whatever means if you want to add any sys out or something like that, then you can add into the program and you can submit your code when it is ready. So I am submitting my code now. Thanks all for watching.